Morning, everybody. We have a little breakfast brake line here on a 2002 F-250 of the two-wheel drive variety. It'll be the second or third time this brake line's been replaced. This vehicle sits a lot. 2002, it only has 180,000 miles on it, which is nothing. So, it's got a case of the lock rods on the brake lines. We're going to get this fixed up right quick. Always remember the flare nut. But if you don't, forget it. You're not doing brakes. Or brake lines anyway. I usually forget it at least once out of every brake line job. But today, probably because you guys are watching. This is my favorite brake line clearing tool ever. Just like that, the brake lines are flared. It's perfect every time. I've never had one leak with this tool. It's freaking awesome. Slippery. Need a rag. There we go. Now we just finalize the routing. That's all done.
for you guys to see that there's that up there is factory brake line from here forward, and all this is brake line that I just ran, and I need to adjust that just a little bit. There. Now this isn't going to be a perfect job. All this truck is used for is to run to the dump. So I just got to have brakes when it's ran to the dump 2 or 3 times a year. Comes up past the fuel tank there. All new. Rear brakes are bled. Should be ready to rock and roll. Now, some of you guys were paying attention, you'll see that I didn't crack the bleeders. Pump the pedal, tighten the bleeders, crack, you know, back and forth. And that's because I'm able to pressurize the system. I can pressurize the brake system, so therefore it doesn't pull any air back in to the system when you release the brake pedal. It just pushes air out, and then it forces fluid back into the piston from the top instead of allowing the brakes to pull air into the line. So this one's out of here, on to the next one.